Hi everyone, it's Genene with a short yoga practice that you can do on your couch. This was a special request from my subscribers, specifically a yoga practice that you could do while sitting on the couch. Small pets are welcome, but if you're not watching this video on your TV, turn it off and we'll begin today sitting in Sukhasana on our couch. Cross your legs. Hands to your thighs, and then inhale, extend your spine, lift your chest, and then exhale, flex your spine, round, lower belly pulls in, inhale, and exhale, and then inhale, and exhale. Now come back to center, cross your legs the other way. Gentle side stretch on your couch, right hand to the right. Slide your right arm over. Get heavier on your left outer hip. Inhale, left arm up and over. Stretch. Maybe you keep the arm straight. Maybe you bring it onto your forearm. Today it's your choice. And then inhale, come up. Other way. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, palm faces down as you go over to the side. And inhale, come back up. And hands to your thighs. Gentle shoulder circles forward. Nice round circles here. Slow it down. And then circle the other direction. Keep lengthening up through your spine. And now cross your legs the other way. Arm circles. So you're going to do the same thing, but use your arms. Circle your arms around. And then circle your arms the other way. And this time, inhale, stretch your arms overhead, hands come into prayer, exhale, hands in front of your heart. So circling the arms this direction, out to the sides, overhead, and then down. Inhale, stretch up, exhale, hands down. And then reverse, inhale, arms overhead, release, and exhale. They come around in front of your heart. Inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale, hands back down to your thighs. Let's uncross our legs, place our feet on the floor. And a nice steady position here. Start with your arms. Inhale your right arm up to the sky, bend the arm at the elbow. So this is a Gomukhasana arm. Let's have the left arm help. Left hand grabs right elbow. And then you're going to start circling the elbow. Doesn't matter which direction, we're going to go both ways. But make sure that your chin stays level and base of ears goes straight back. And now circle your arm the other way. And now go to the other side. Right hand, left elbow. So you get resistance there. You can push that left elbow into your right arm as you make nice round circles. Feel yourself getting more mobile. Circle the other direction. Inhale, arms out to the sides. exhale, lower down your left hand onto your thigh and keep this right arm here. Turn your thumb pointing down. Sweep your right arm behind your back and start walking your hand up your back. You can help this by taking your elbow to the midline. So you can grab with your left hand. You can start helping that elbow go up. And then inhale your left arm up to the sky, and let's do the Gomukhasana arms, like so. And exhale, release. Inhale, stretch, stretch, stretch your arms. And exhale, your right arm over your left. Upper arms cross, bend at the elbows, palms come together. And then take your right thigh over your left. So if you need to, you can use your hands to lift that thigh up and over. And then we're going to move the arms. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift through the elbows. And exhale, lower. Now, if you want, stay with this or go deeper by flexing the spine. Inhale. And then exhale, bow, elbows touch thighs. Inhale, lift up. And again, exhale, bow, elbows touch thighs. Inhale, come up and cross everything. And then exhale, lower your arms down by your side, and we'll go to the other side. So inhale, left arm out to the side, thumb points down. Sweep that left arm behind your back and start walking the hand up the back. This will probably be different than the other side because we're usually built differently. And then inhale, right arm up to the sky, bend at the elbow, and you either clasp hands or you don't. Doesn't matter at all. We're just getting a light, wonderful stretch in our shoulders and helping us with our posture. Now inhale, arms out to the side. Garudasana arms the other way. So if you had trouble with your legs, you would first cross the right thigh over the left and then add the arms. Left upper arm over right upper arm, bend at the elbows, palms face each other. And then they either touch or they don't. Inhale, lift the elbows. Exhale, lower the elbows. Inhale, lift. And exhale, lower. And maybe you add, inhale, lift. Exhale, bow. Inhale, lift. And exhale, bow. Inhale, come up. Uncross everything. Stretch. And exhale, bring your arms out in front of you. Interlace your fingers. Press your palms out. Straighten the arms. And inhale slowly, moving your arms overhead. And just let your arms lift right to that point where your tighter side is telling you, yep, that's where I need to stay. And then exhale, lower your arms down. Clasp your hands the other direction. So other finger goes on top. Interlace, press out. And then slowly moving your arms overhead, using your entire inhale to get there. And exhale, lower the arms. Same thing with our arms behind our back. So these are ones you can always use a strap in between your arms and hands instead. Swing the elbows in towards each other, straighten the arms. Inhale, lengthen. Option to exhale and bow forward. You don't have to do this. Use your pelvic floor so that you don't fall over. Inhale, come up. And other side, change the clasp of your hands. Inhale, stretch the arms back. And exhale, bow. Inhale, come up. Release your hands. Place your hands on your thighs. And draw your hands together now. Connect your thumbs with your heart. Take this moment to thank yourself for taking time out of your busy schedule for you and your yoga practice. Thank you so much for joining me. I can't wait to hear how this worked for you. And please let me know of any new videos you would like me to create for you. I look forward to hearing from you. Namaste.